My name is Dr. John Fielder. I'm the co-founder and chief executive of African Mission Healthcare. African Mission Healthcare started with the simple idea that no one should go without access to quality medical care. What began 15 years ago as my own crazy dream to create an organization that could come alongside long-term on-the-ground health workers and hospitals has become a reality. Without your partnership, this work would not be possible. 40% of African children who die before the age of 5 do so within the first 28 days of life. 80% of women in rural Uganda lack access to safe C-sections. And 56 million Africans require surgery right now. Africa suffers from 24% of the world's disease burden, but has only 3% of the planet's healthcare workers and only 1% of the resources. We must change this reality. We believe that every child deserves a chance. Every mother deserves to deliver safely, and every person, regardless of where they're born, deserves access to quality, compassionate healthcare. At AMH, we are passionate about bringing healing to the hurting and forgotten. As we celebrate our 10th anniversary, you've helped us make incredible progress. Your support strengthens our mission hospital partners and provides them with equipment, infrastructure, supplies, and training to save lives today and create sustainable health systems for tomorrow. Your partnership pays for medicine and treatment for patients in extreme need and poverty, like Munene, a 16-year-old boy in Kenya who has lived with a bone infection for 10 years. It became so severe and painful that it threatened his limb and his life. Compassionate sponsors through AMH made his surgery possible at one of our partners. Over the last 10 years, with your support, we've enabled 670,000 visits to our healthcare partners and sponsored over 20,000 surgeries and corrective procedures. This year, as the COVID-19 pandemic came to Africa, we saw that past investments in intensive care unit infrastructure and training saved lives now. Dr. Tom and his team care for over 100,000 people at the hospital and at clinics in the surrounding communities and operate on 1,600 patients per year. They have plans to open a training school at the hospital. As we look ahead to the next 10 years, I'm optimistic, hopeful, and ambitious about what we can accomplish together. We hope to triple the number of patients we sponsor for surgery every year, from about 1,500 now to at least 5,000. To close the surgery gap in Africa. We also want to expand our Mission Hospital teaching network to involve more hospitals that are training the next generation of African healthcare professionals and leaders. Thank you for your life-changing compassion and generosity. Because of you, we are celebrating 10 years of saving lives and creating sustainable healthcare systems. Because of you, mothers in Uganda have access to safe cesarean sections. Because of you, children in Malawi are getting malaria treatment. Because of you, Sudanese and Tanzanian nurses are receiving scholarships. Kenyan healthcare workers are learning how to care for those with HIV. And operating theaters in Uganda and Malawi are up and running. Because of you, this work is growing. Thank you, and God bless.